Hello, in this video, let's learn the profile of PV Sindhu who scripts history. Firstly, many congratulations to PV Sindhu on winning the bronze medal at Tokyo Olympics 2020. How to write profile effectively. If you watch and follow this video till the end, you can definitely score maximum marks for profile in the exam. Beginning with definition. So profile means a short biography, a brief biography, that is important details of a person. Let's see the marking scheme, that is how marks are given to your answer in the exam. Number 1, giving necessary details of the person. Means you have to write the biography of any one person. Then you want to give only necessary details of that particular person. And these necessary details are already given in the question. So no need to worry. And number 2, presenting relevant ideas and presentation. So what is this relevant? Means related. You have to include only the relevant, that is related ideas in the answer. And presentation. Here presentation is extremely important, especially for this discourse or creative writing profile. That is tabular to paragraph and paragraph to tabular. What is this? We will learn it very soon. And number 3, organization of the data. Means your information should be written in the perfect order, in the perfect way. And number 4, using appropriate cohesive devices. What is this cohesive devices? Let's see. Cohesive devices means words which are used to combine ideas. Cohesive devices play a very important role in creative writing. We will see cohesive devices in the model question. And using well-formed sentences. Perfect sentence formation is very important in creative writing. If you include all these points in your answer, you can definitely score maximum marks. And most important point. See, this is the presentation in profile. Tabular to paragraph, paragraph to tabular. So what is this tabular to paragraph and paragraph to tabular? Let's see now. Tabular to paragraph means if the question is given like this in the form of a table, then the answer should be like this in the form of a paragraph. This is called tabular to paragraph. And what about paragraph to tabular? If the question is given like this in the form of a paragraph, then the answer should be like this in the form of a table. This is called paragraph to tabular. This is extremely important for presentation of profile. Let's see the model profile. Read the information given in the table about the brilliant badminton player PV Sindhu. Then write a profile of PV Sindhu. And let us see the information. See, now the question is given in the form of a table. And all the details are given here. Let us see points and details. The question is given like this very clearly in the exam. Full name, Pusarla Venkata Sindhu. Date and place of birth, July 5, 1995, Hyderabad. Nationality, Indian. Parents, PV Ramana and PV Vijaya. College, St. Anne's College, Hyderabad. Height, 179 centimeters. Weight, 65 kilograms. International debut. Debut, this is pronounced like debut means first entry. 2009 Sub-Junior Asian Badminton Championship. Coach, Pullela Gopichan. Achievements, bronze medal at Tokyo Olympics 2020 and silver medal at Rio Olympics 2016. Awards, Khel Ratna. This is the question which is given in the form of a table. Now let us see the answer. The question is in the form of a table. The answer must be in the form of a paragraph, and here it is. We want to begin the answer with the title, that is the name of the person. Here the person's name is PV Sindhu. Use capital letters for this name and then write a paragraph like this. We want to include all the information given in the table. We can begin like this. PV Sindhu's full name is Pusarla Venkata Sindhu. She is an extraordinary badminton player. She was born on 5th July 1995 in Hyderabad, India. All these things are very clearly given in the question, and we should frame the sentence perfectly like this. She was born. This is how we frame the sentence here. Her parents are PV Ramana and PV Vijaya. This information is also very clearly mentioned in the question. We can frame a sentence simply like this. Her parents are PV Ramana and PV Vijaya. She studied at St. Anne's College, Hyderabad. This is also in the question. Her height is 179 centimeters with a weight of 65 kilograms. We can simply write kg. She made her debut at 2009 Sub-Junior Asian Badminton Championship. Her coach is Pullela Gopichan. In the question, it is given just like this, coach Pullela Gopichan, and we have made it a sentence. She won the bronze medal at the Tokyo Olympics 2020 and the silver medal at the Rio Olympics 2016. These are her achievements. She received the prestigious Khel Ratna Award from the hands of then President Pranab Mukherjee on 29th August, that is National Sports Day. In the question, it is simply given award and Khel Ratna, and we have formed a sentence like this. The Khel Ratna Award is generally presented by our Honorable President of India, and that is presented on National Sports Day, that is 29th August. If we know some important extra information like this, we can include it. If you present the answer wonderfully like this, you can definitely get maximum marks in the exam. And last but not least, you should put your answer or paragraph inside a box. This is also compulsory. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Please share and subscribe to our channel for more videos on spoken English and discourses. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe. Mask up. Stay safe.